everybody. I'm sorry if this video has a little lag. I'm using Screencastify to record a Google Meet, so sometimes that will make things a little off. So we've had some questions lately about a change that seems to have happened to Google Meet, where when you are changing or sharing a tab, presenting a tab, and then switch tabs, it kicks you out of present mode. But it seems like if you update your Google Chrome, it will resolve this issue. So let me just demonstrate the issue that people were having. People were presenting an individual tab. Let's say I wanted to share, I don't know, my calendar. I'll share my calendar. And then if I wanted to switch calendars, let's say I have a video up here that I want to show to students. When I click it, now check this up here. Now there's a new button that says stop presenting altogether or share this tab instead, which is pretty cool. The other thing that I noticed is when I'm out here, there is now a presentation audio switch, which I'm wondering if will help some of the folks with issues about audio with videos. So now there's a new feature up at the top. I'll put a screenshot of it of would you like to share this tab instead? See right here, it comes right up at the top. So I'm going to say share this tab instead, and that's the tool that you should use to switch your tabs. Okay, you'll need to update your Chrome to version 88. I'll put instructions for that in here as well. Have a great day.